everyone, Happy New Year, and today we'll be making some KFC chicken. Let's go! Today I'll be using 20 chicken thighs and we will need 3 liters of water. Put 2 tablespoons of salt in and 2 shallots cut up. Mix that up. Let's wash our chicken thighs in the salt water. Put them in. And let's put it into the refrigerator for 2 hours. Put a plastic wrap on top. So after 2 hours, let's take the chicken thighs out. Let's let them drain. We will need 700 grams all-purpose flour, and let's strain the all-purpose flour. 150 grams corn flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon pepper, and mix it up. Put half of the mixture into another bowl. Break 6 eggs into the flour. Put 250 milliliters of water. Mix it up. Take a piece of paper towel and dry the chicken. Use a deep pan or a pot and put some oil in there and make sure it covers the chicken. Dip the chicken into the egg mixture. And then dip it into the flour mixture. Continue with the rest. Use a chopstick and make sure the oil is bubbling. Then put the chicken into fry for 15 minutes. Turn the heat to medium so the chicken will be cooked inside and the outside won't be burnt. Our chicken has finished frying and look how crunchy they are. They look really yummy.